Imagine a place where three different rivers, the Danube, Inn, and Ilz, meet in one spectacular view. A city filled with colorful Baroque buildings, cobblestone streets, centuries of history, and one of Europe's most breathtaking hilltop fortresses. Welcome to Passau, the city of three rivers. In this video, I'll take you through the very best of Passau and show you exactly why this charming Bavarian city deserves a place on your travel bucket list. Passau is called the City of Three Rivers. Here, the Danube, Inn, and Ilz come together, each with a distinct color because they originate in different regions of Europe. Passau's history stretches back more than 2,000 years. It began as a Roman settlement and later grew into one of Bavaria's most important trading and cultural centers. Much of the beautiful old town you'll see today was rebuilt in the elegant Baroque style after a devastating fire in 1662, giving Passau its unique Mediterranean charm. Today, this riverside city is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and relaxed atmosphere, making it one of Germany's most rewarding hidden gems. Our journey begins at Passau's most famous viewpoint, where you can witness something truly unique. Right here, the Danube, Inn, and Ilz rivers meet. What's fascinating is that each river has a different color. The Inn often appears turquoise because it carries glacial water from the Alps. The Danube is usually a darker blue, and the Ilz has a deep green or almost black tint from the forests it flows through. Watching these three rivers merge is one of the most memorable sights in all of Germany. This meeting point has shaped Passau's history for over 2,000 years. The Romans recognized its strategic importance, establishing a settlement here that later grew into a thriving medieval trading city. Merchants, travelers, and pilgrims all passed through these waterways, bringing wealth, culture, and influence to the region. As we leave the viewpoint and head into the Old Town, notice how the atmosphere changes. Narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, inviting cafes, and small boutiques create a relaxed charm that's perfect for exploring on foot. Most of what you see today dates back to after a devastating fire in 1662. Rather than rebuilding in the medieval style, Italian architects redesigned much of the city with elegant Baroque architecture. That's why parts of Passau feel surprisingly Mediterranean, despite being in southern Germany. One of the highlights of the Old Town is simply wandering without a plan. Around almost every corner, you'll discover charming squares, hidden courtyards, and beautiful building facades that make this city incredibly photogenic. Our next stop is St. Stephen's Cathedral, the spiritual heart of Passau. Its impressive Baroque exterior is beautiful, but the real surprise is inside. The cathedral is home to one of the world's largest cathedral organs, with more than 17,000 pipes. During the summer months, visitors can attend organ concerts, where the powerful sound fills the entire cathedral, creating an unforgettable experience. Today, we are unable to visit inside the cathedral as it is closed. Standing in front of the cathedral, it's easy to imagine the generations of people who have gathered here for centuries, from local residents to travelers crossing Europe along the Danube. Just a short walk away is the historic town hall. This building has served as the center of civic life for centuries. Its elegant architecture reflects Passau's prosperity during its years as an important trading city. The square around it is often lively, with visitors, local events, and cafes, making it a wonderful place to pause and soak in the atmosphere. As we stand in front of this building, you'll notice something unusual marking on building's wall: the flood markers. These lines record the heights reached by historic floods over the centuries. They serve as a powerful reminder that while the rivers have brought prosperity, they have also brought challenges. One of the most devastating floods occurred in 2013, when water levels rose dramatically and much of the old town was submerged. Looking at these markers really puts the power of nature into perspective. It's remarkable how the people of Passau have continued to restore and preserve their beautiful city after each major flood. Now we've reached the riverfront, where you'll see several boats waiting to depart. River cruises are one of the most popular ways to experience Passau. Some offer short sightseeing trips around the city, while others begin here and travel hundreds of kilometers along the Danube to destinations such as Vienna, Budapest, and beyond. From the water, you get an entirely different perspective of Passau's colorful skyline, historic churches, and hilltop fortress. It's easy to understand why this city is a favorite stop for Danube River cruises. What makes Passau truly special isn't just its landmarks, it's the atmosphere. It's a city where history blends effortlessly with everyday life. Students from the local university, residents enjoying riverside cafes, cyclists crossing the bridges, and visitors exploring the narrow streets all give the city a welcoming and relaxed energy. Whether you're visiting for a few hours or staying a couple of days, Passau offers a wonderful mix of history, architecture, scenic beauty, and authentic Bavarian charm, without the crowds found in many larger tourist destinations. If you're planning a trip through southern Germany or along the Danube, Passau absolutely deserves a spot on your itinerary. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour. If you enjoyed exploring Passau with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments, which part of Passau would you love to visit first? See you in the next destination.